Hello folks, I am Khushbu. This video contains a section for idea expansion from Standard 10 State Board as well as works for your personality development. And the topic is the hand that rocks the cradle rules the world. This phrase was extracted from a poem written by William Ross Wallace. It means जो हाथ झूला झुलाता है वो एक दिन सारी दुनिया पे राज करता है. This proverb highlights the role of a mother in upbringing her child. It's the mother's and mother's love which decides the destiny of the whole nation. Now, this proverb literally does not mean that the mother herself rules the whole wide world, but it's the mother's upbringing and nurturing which would one day rule the world. As the kids of today are completely dependent on their mothers for their future, and the future of the nation is dependent on the kids. So indirectly, it's the mother's hand that rocks the cradle and which would rule the world one day. Mother's upbringing has this deep impact over child upbringing, child's nature, behavior, character, persona, and his future. Mothers play a very vital role in deciding the journey of the future of the kid. History abounds with the examples of heroes who have contributed a lot to the society and made the society to what it is today. Their biographical account shows that it's their mothers who were responsible for chartering their lives of the ambition of their preferences they had. We have the example of Shivaji. Jijamata kept telling him the stories of great heroes and great achievers. And the example of Sir Walter Scott, whose mother was immensely interested in poetry and literature and made him what he was then. Mother's upbringing in the formative years of a child has this deep impact over the emotional behavior, growth, habits, nature of the child. Whether he or she turns out to be a super achiever or a lazy Dumbo, good for nothing, a loafer, it depends upon the upbringing of her mother. Since the future of the kids lies in the hands of the kids today, the future of the kids lies in the hands of their mothers now. So it's the mother and her upbringing which will make the future of the child. It is therefore a matter of supreme importance that mother should be educated enough and fitted for accomplishing this important task of upbringing the child in the right manner. Whatever the kids have been taught in the lap of the mother will ultimately become the guiding force of the decisions they make tomorrow. No wonder Abraham Lincoln said that whatever I am and I hope to be, it's all I owe to my angel mother. Train a man and you teach an individual, but train a woman and you build a whole nation. So mothers decides the future of the kids. माँ चाहे तो बच्चे का future संवार ले या बिगाड़ ले. It's all in the hands of the mother. So all the mothers out there, I would like to say, do your best, because you're not just teaching a kid, rather a complete nation. Thank you.